How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's video, just a very quick message to tell you. I know I've been off the radar for the past 2 months. My apologies about that. I've been working flat out, getting the wee business up and running. And that 30-day challenge, let me tell you, it burnt me out. But I really appreciate all your lovely comments and all your support on the channel. But I just had to get this business up and running. As you know, I moved back to Belfast and things were going a wee bit slower than I thought, but everything happens at the right time and now I'm up and running. So I've got the wee business going, so I've had to give it a lot of time to get it going. So I put together a wee video there now, load of photographs I've taken since the end, probably near the middle of January, wasn't it, the last time the last 30-day challenge was finished. Some photographs you haven't seen, I'm just going to overlap them. I'm going to put them on the video now. And watch out for a video next week. I've got, I think it's going to be a great big announcement. Well, it's big for me. Tune in next week anyway, early next week, and I'll do that. And I'm going to show you a wee video. And watch this space. Guys, listen, have a fantastic weekend. And as I say, I'm sorry for not being on the radar. Sometimes it's good to just duck out, isn't it? Just to drop out of society and just do your thing. But everything's been great. I must say, the 30-day challenge, it took me about 2 weeks to get myself into the system again, but same daily vloggers, let me tell you. Anyway, let's get on to this video, guys. Send you love from Belfast, and I'll see you in the next video. As I say, it'll be up around about Tuesday, and you'll see what I'm talking about.